Hi there and welcome to Miriam's Manor. I am Miriam and I have someone so very precious and special here with me today. This is my daughter Aaliyah. Say hi.
Hi.
So I told you guys I decorate my whole house for Christmas and I really wasn't playing. I even decorate my kids' room. So today I wanted to bring you in because we're going to be putting my daughter's snow village together. They love Christmas just as much as I do. And we're going to be doing her village as well as her Christmas tree and some other little things that she has for her room. And she is really gonna run the show. She knows every year how she wants to lay her village out, and I just let her kind of do her thing. So we're gonna get started.
I am going to be putting the houses on this table. So I'm going to put this house right on the side like this. And this house is going to be in the middle. And so I'm going to put that a little closer. And I'm going to put that on the side. And then that there.
Where's your other house?
And so I'm putting this there, and I'll get the other house.
Oh, you see it? Oh, there it is.
So they're going to be around here. We're going to be using grass and snow for our front yards in this video. This is going to be a great village for you to see.
Late?
Yeah, see this? We're going to be putting this near the other way, right here.
The roads must be in your brother's bin. Let me go check his bin. All right, Aaliyah, which houses do you want with the grass in the front yard?
Okay, so the house I want with the thing in the front, grass in the front yard, is going to be this one. That's my favorite house.
Okay, what about, we have two things of grass, so you can have two of them with it.
I'm thinking
Which, do you want another one with grass or do you want the rest of them with snow?
the rest of them with snow.
Only this one with grass?
All of them with snow, actually.
All of them with snow?
Yep.
Okay. Well, then what about your walk paths or sidewalks?
My walk path.
Do you want some like this? If we can find a few more?
No, I don't.
You just want all of this snow? Okay.
Go. We're gonna need some fences.
Do you want fences between the houses?
Yes.
All right.
Between the house.
First,
So we are done with the snow and it looks realistic.
you gotta put your gates on. Where are your gates?
All right here
Where do you want them?
in front of the sidewalk.
All right, we'll put them up in front of the sidewalk. Here, I'll glue while you hold.
Now one more to go.
So how do you want the front of this to look over here? Do you want to just sprinkle some snow flurries like over here in the
Snow
walkway area?
flurries.
Do you remember these trees you made last year?
Yeah.
So last year in my daughter's village, I take the bases off of my trees and she goes, Mom, can I have these? And I was like, sure. I had these extra branches that I had given her and let her have, and she made her own little trees for her village last year, all on her own, and it was so creative, and I just thought, that's my daughter.
I don't need no more cheese, because it's stuff. Cheese. Oh wait, they're going skating. And this is skate place. I love my village. I just love it too much. They're driving back from the bakery. See, they got apples in the back of their car.
Mm-hmm.
My village is so fun. I want to shake into my own village and go in the places. So we're moving my bench so we can put our Christmas tree there. for watching my video of making my village, and also we put up my Christmas tree because it's getting close to Christmas, and it's been a great day to see you, and until we see you again, God bless you, and bye.
Bye.